Okay, so now we are going to solve few examples on the basis of what we have understood till now, like combination of errors, topic based. Okay, so this is example number 78 in Accelera, which is one of the solved NCERT questions from our textbook. I'm reading it. Two resistances R1 is equal to 100 plus or minus 3 ohms and R2 is equal to 200 plus or minus 4 ohms are connected in series. What is their equivalent resistance? Chalo. Bola hai R1 or R2. The two values are given to us. These two are connected in series. When in series connection, we know what is the resultant or we can say equivalent resistance ka formula. So R is equal to R1 plus R2. अगर parallel होता so we know the formula is 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Yes or no? Right? Okay. But here the given one is series. We want to find out equivalent resistance. Now if you can see, this is relatable to which one? The addition, summation wala combination of error. How? X is equal to A plus B. Yes or no? X is equal to A plus B. This is something that we have already done. So we can write down delta R. इतनी मेहनत भी क्यों करनी है? चलो, let's say x is equal to a plus b that we have already understood. This resembles into what? X bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. जैसे true value का equation बनता है वैसे ही measured values का equation बनता है. And there's one more result that we have found out. What? Delta x is equal to वो plus 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 minus minus plus minus minus combination में से हमने maximum error वाला value निकाला था, which is equal to delta a plus delta b. Yes or no? अब क्या करना है? See, measured value, error value. चलो, let's do it. So R is equal to basically R1 plus R2 plus or minus delta R1 plus delta R2. A bar plus B bar, delta A plus delta B. Clear? Okay. So this is our R1, this is our delta R1, this is our R2, this is our delta R2 bar. चलो ना खुश रहो बस. Let's do it. Okay. 300 plus 200 500 plus or minus, अच्छा इसको ब्रैकेट बना दो, खुशी मिलेगी. Plus or minus 7 परसेंटेज नहीं, सॉरी, ohms. बस इतना ही था. दिस फालतू सम. राइट डाउन.